In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get a super clean audio just like you're hearing right now, and you don't need an expensive, fancy-dancy microphone. I mean, I just have the DJI wireless mic, but if you don't even have that, you can get a really good quality with just your iPhone. All you make sure is just, talking from the bottom and everything. But I'll show you just how to do that in Adobe Premiere Pro, what kind of settings you should use, what type of presets you should use, and just everything to get this super simple, clear audio. Before we get into that though, my name is Eddie Torson, and I create digital assets for content creators just like you to get clear audio mics like this, really cool editing presets, film borders, automatically animated hooks for you. So if you like that type of stuff and love saving money and just a bunch of time throughout your life, then definitely go check out all of my presets that'll be in the link in the description for your editing styles. And without further ado, let's create this really clear audio. So I actually put on some headphones because my recording is going to really screw up with this audio. And I just got these headphones, XM4s, Sony's. If you guys like headphones, these are the way to go, man. But let's create this kind of really clear audio type of stuff. What I always do every single time is come over to all my presets that I have. Like I said, go to get these down in the link in the description. You can actually grab all these microphone presets I have. Don't worry, we're gonna be making our own, but this is what I usually normally do just to save a bunch of time, is I come over to my microphone presets. I have a lot of them, but this is the one I like to use because this is just my newest one. I always just drag and drop it. It gives you all of these. That's what we're gonna be using. And also I like to do is come over to the windows, make sure you have Essential Sound on, and come over here. And then I also have my own preset, which is this also too. But now let's just listen to it with these as it enhances it. And then we'll hear like the after we add all this stuff. So this is the before we add all these effects. Microphone, audio, video. Kind of low, it's not really good. And then this is the after we add all these effects. Super clean, clear audio, especially when I'm holding it kind of super clean, man. As you can hear this, it's really wow, clean. It's so clear. So without further ado, let's create this really clear audio. Do is always add these that you can see in this top left. So add the hard limiter, you want to add the hard limiter. All these are gonna be on default, so no need to like customize them, but add the hard limiter, the dynamics, your graphic equalizer, make sure it's a 30 band, don't do 20 or 10, just a 30 band, and then also do a parametric equalizer. Those are gonna be the effects that you wanna add to it. And then also you wanna, like I said before, open your Essential Sound and come over to the enhanced speech. So let me just get rid of this and let's kind of make this from scratch. I always like to do, just make sure this is kind of around 7, hit enhance, and that's going to enhance your clip for you. Like I said, and now it's kind of enhanced it. Come down to loudness, you can either do auto match if you would like, but if it's too low, like let's just listen to it right now. I just hit auto match it. Adobe Premiere Pro just does a super good job when it comes to audio, but also all I like to do for repair, I don't know if this dehum is on your guys' thing, but make sure this is kind of around like 7.1. And then what I also like to do is come over to the clarity, and for the clarity, turn on the dynamics, and then you can just focus and like mess around with this. Again, all you want to do is listen to what it sounds like, and what sounds good to you is normally going to sound good to everyone else. So just kind of play it, and it sounds a lot better. What I also like to do is make sure that your volume is right around the -3. So like this is about perfect. Make sure you're not going a little over. And the best way to actually track this is to do the audio track mixer. And you can just get this by going into window and looking for the audio track mixer right here. And then when you look over here, it'll tell you what the audio is. So watch. Get this to so right here, and then look on the bottom. If this is right around like 0 to -3, you're perfect. If it keeps saying it's over, so if like I bring this up and it goes over like that, oh my god, that was a little ear destroying mode. But you never want that to go over, otherwise you're gonna just really destroy the people's ears, and plus, it's just gonna sound terrible. So that's what I like to do to add all those effects to get a really simple, clear audio. Another thing you can do, what I used to do, is add so if I go into my microphone preset 2, I would always like to do just add a multi-brand compressor. That's also a super good thing. And I actually went into the edit, and I didn't usually use the kill harness. I either use the kill harness or the pop master. Both of those sound extremely good. So just kind of, again, see what your audio sounds like. Make sure it sounds organic and authentic, but also super clear. And if you want to get this microphone audio preset plus just a bunch of more presets, and you actually get 112 sound effects that I use in every single one of my videos for your short form content, it's the only pack you'll ever need. It'll be down in the link description. But if you want to learn more about how to edit videos / short form content for your personal brand, go click this video right over here.